Hello everyone, Paula here. I'm here to do a flip through of this little journal with you. It is a quilted cover journal, and I think it's 9 by 6, I believe. Let me see really quick. Sorry, I should have done this before. Yes, 9 by 6. And yeah, I thought this was the last piece of this, but I found another one. I'm so excited because I got another order for one, and I'm like, oh no, I don't think I have any more, but I did find this piece right here. I'm so excited. Anyway, so I'll be making another one for a custom order. I could probably get 2 more out of that, actually. But yeah, the PUD just came and told me I'm going to lose electricity like in 15 minutes. So I thought, oh my god, I got to get this video done. So I did a little tassel right here, and it's just one signature. So if you like I'm in a hurry, that's why, because I don't want them to turn my electricity off. Eyelet closure, seam binding closure. And on the front, I just did a little bag, and I sewed and did some layering on that. And that is what that looks like. Super cute. I just put these little snippets in there. And then this comes in the bag. Got a letter on the back. Very vintage, from 1950 something. Yeah. And let's go inside really quick. In here, I just backed it with this paper, and I do have a video on how I make these covers. I will try to link that in the description box below for y'all if you want to know how I make these. And I just did a little pocket right there, and just some journaling cards, an index card. It's just made out of a little this and that, old vintage postcard. You know, if you watch my massive mess video, you'll know what it's made out of, which I love all of this, and I just can't seem to get myself to get rid of it, so I'm just going to try to use it. And then I'm also going to send a bag of goodies with every journal. This one's already snapped shut, or I would open it and show you what's in there. And then fabric little ruffle, and everything's coffee dyed in here. Well, most everything, not everything. And then this, is a little guest check that can be glued in wherever she wants in the book, or not glued in at all, and it's coffee dyed paper on the back. So, and then I got this little tag to go inside, and then these 2 little foxy bits is what I call them, the little tiny things from Tracy Fox. Call them little foxy bits. And I don't know, just coffee dyed paper. And this is Tsunami Rose. I have some tabs in here. And Tim Holtz butterfly, a little coffee dyed tag. And this is one of them old vintage ephemera. I have a bunch of these, so I'm just going to start sending some out with my journals, so it could be used with and make other ephemera with. A page out of Daphne's Diary, and an old seed packet that's not been sealed. Just tuck that up there. Dictionary page, a page from Ideal magazine. Some Martha Stewart punching. I didn't do any stamping in here. I might do a little bit before she goes, though, because I just didn't get that far yet. And this little tuck spot. And in this one I have this piece of ephemera, which I love. And stuck that in there. And then this has just got a whole bunch of ephemera and some little buttons and everything in there that can be used in the book or elsewhere. And these little bags I got from S&M Tiffany Lane. Over here is a little pocket my sister made, and I just stuffed it with a bunch of ephemera. This one opens up. This is Artie Mae's. And I think this came out of a paper tablet. Oh, and in the back is just sewn Edith Holden page journaling card. Tsunami Rose. I'll try to make this fast. This has just got some ephemera in there. Some little die cuts and things in here that can be used in others, which this is going to get... No, I won't shove more in the book. I will just send her extra bag over there. Oh, I did do a little stenciling. This flips out, and it's stuffed with a very vintage old photo, real photo, that Miss Vonnie sent me, that she found at a thrift store, and a tag. I love those, but I gotta use them. She sent them to me to use, so I need to use them and stop hoarding them. LOL. And here is a little tag with some little Tim Holtz peeps. Stick them right on there. That flips out. That's a funny story. I got some fabric paper so I could print on the fabric, and I printed on the wrong side, so I just sewed it onto this tag. I laughed at myself. I was kind of irritated because, hello, if I wanted to print on paper, I've got plenty of that. So I used it anyways and just made a tag out of it. And let's see, this is, I think there's Nick the Booksmith and Tracy Fox in here. And this is just another little thing I stamped on, and some shorthand paper and some coffee dyed cardstock, and I just put that in there just for extra journaling bits. This flips out, and I just used this fabric as a hinge, and it's just loaded. I gotta hurry up because they're gonna turn my electricity off. Oh my goodness, I can't have that. I love that pan. That was the pan my sister gave me for Christmas. And Tim Holtz, and I just sewed onto the back and did some stamping. And this is a Tsunami Rose envelope, and it's got paper inside, and I just paper clipped it on. I'm sorry. This video, oh, that's another really old one. Super cool. I love these so much. It's so hard for me to get rid of them, but I have to. And another piece of this really old vintage red stamp book. I love that. Love it. And then here is a tea bag that I made, and I just did a little tuck spot there, and inside is a tag and an ATC card. I don't remember. Another really old vintage photo. Amazing. And if I had my glasses, I could read that, but I don't. There's some kids next to a car. Some more little ephemera over here. A little dangler that I made. Flips out. Little paper bits. This has got a little tablet on the back over here. That's some extra journaling. The bag full of goodness in there. Some more of that different kind. All three different of these little things. I love them. This one opens up. I know I said I'd hurry, but I want you to see it. They're so cool. But I still have a, I don't know, stack about that big of those, so I thought I would pop them into my journals and share them with everyone. I did my cardboard lines on there, a little booklet, Artie Mae's, and a guest check, one of the thicker guest checks. And this my niece made, and it's from a large jumbo playing card. Tsunami Rose, and a bag. And this bag is full of lace. I'd pull it all out, but I don't have time to go through all of that. But yes, this one is full of pretty lace in there that she could add to her journal. And then this is a tag that I made. Martha Stewart punching. And a little envelope here with some Tracy Fox, and I can't remember where that image came from. And this has also got a bunch of, it's going to fall out now, a bunch of ephemera in there that I had already cut out, or with my brother, or hand cut out. And I just stuffed all that in there. And then, oops, get in there. Close that. And Dreams, etc., I think. And Tsunami Rose. And just some more little ephemera. This comes out. Oh my goodness. Tracy Fox and I think the Old Design Shop on that one, I think. And that here's the last pocket. And I just put that little, some extra bits in here. Like so. And yeah, that is this little beauty. Ah, I made it and I still have electricity. So, yeah, that is this one. She's already sold, and I will be making a couple others because I found this little beauty. I don't know which side will be on that side or this side. Probably one of both. But yeah. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you so very much. And have a great day. Bye-bye.